Dear viewers, today we will discuss linear equation or basic concept of linear equation. A linear equation is an equation that describes a straight line when plotted on a graph. It has the form ax plus b is equal to y. Mean when a variable having one power, you can say that x power 1. We can say that linear equation. It is a linear equation when a variable having one power. This is a linear equation. When a variable having two power, we can say that it is a quadratic equation. So ax plus b is equal to y is a linear. Where a and b are constants, we can say that a and b are constants and x and y are variables. X and y are variables because x have different values, y have different values. X, a and have only a and b have only b. We can say that a and b are constants and for x and y are variable. The graph of a linear equation is a straight line. In graph paper, when we make linear equation graph, we get a straight line. Here are some examples of linear equation. 2x y is equal to 2x plus 1 is a linear equation. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 is a linear equation. 2y is equal to 8 linear equation. M plus 1 is a linear equation. X over 2 is equal to 3 are linear equation. X plus y is equal to linear equation. We can say that when a variable having only one power, it is a linear equation.